So I want to talk to you a little bit about the model that you're trying to do. What I want to see is that you understand the parts of a neuron and how neurons change when you learn something. That repetition helps you grow dendrites and helps you make the connections between the synapses and axons stronger. Okay? So that's what we're working on. You have a lot of options for making this model. You have to make the model and then make a Flipgrid video of yourself explaining it. Or your actual model could be a video. For example, like these ASAP science videos, I mean, they're really fancy. I can show you later a little easier idea, but something like that, where you just...
The concentration of adenosine declines, gradually promoting wakefulness. But it turns out that the caffeine in your coffee is
Okay, so then just something like that, where you're videoing and making these changes. So if you're good with videos, you could do something like that. Or maybe you take some materials to represent your model. You use a plate as the cell body. You use markers as the dendrites. You use a necktie as the axon. You know, you can be really creative. It does not have to, you don't have to buy anything. It's more that I want you to understand the various parts and how they work. You can either make the video as your model or make the model, then make a Flipgrid video explaining the model. Whatever you do, you have to upload a video that's no more than a minute at the most, probably, of explaining how neurons work and how they change when you learn. Here is my sad and quick attempt at making an ASAP science video with a whiteboard, but it's also like literally it took me 35 seconds to do this. You know, I'm just kind of drawing the neuron, and then I draw the, you know, the other axon next to it. I'm drawing other dendrites. It's really a very sad attempt, but I'm just telling. Here's another attempt at a very simple neuron. Like there's the dendrites, there's the axon. Again, you can show the dendrites getting strengthened by, you know, the marker is showing that the dendrites are getting strengthened when you learn something. So keep it simple, folks. You do not have to make this complicated, but better than this.